Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Online Learning. This video is related to breaking update Wipro pre-skilling training mail. Candidates are receiving the pre-skilling training from NGA team. So in this video we will discuss about what is pre-skilling training. You have to fill the survey form and what about the Wipro Elite process. Like and share the video. All videos are for all of you. And one most important point that I created playlist for Elite off-campus hiring. Everything is present. SVAR test, okay, mass hiring test, exam, TR, HR, interview experience, everything. As we know that, first of all, this is the process. After clearing the online assessment, you will receive this type of mail that next is related to SVAR test. After clearing, there is a technical and HR interview. After that, they will share the LOI, okay, letter of intent. After that, pre-skilling training. After receiving this LOI, you will receive further communication on pre-skilling schedule from NGA campus team. After clearing and completing the pre-skilling training, you will receive a formal offer letter. Please note, only upon successful completion of pre-skilling training, you will be considered for onboarding. So it is state that it is totally a elimination because they clearly mention that you have to clear this pre-skilling training or successfully completion, so you will be considered for onboarding. We look forward to continue success in the upcoming round. I asked to candidate what's your pass out batch and interview date 24, okay, and you got the pre-skilling mail yesterday. Yes sir, interview date is 6th February and LOI on 13th February, and finally pre-skilling training mail on 25th February. Okay, so what is the pre-skilling training? It is a training by the Wipro team in which they will allocate you the domain, okay, or we can say that उसके नाम में ही हमें पता चल रहा है प्री स्किलिंग, ओके. One skills is there, okay, and you have to complete or you have to clear the assessment of that skill. आपको उसके बारे में पढ़ाया जाएगा, आपको पढ़ना है. On the basis of that you have to clear the assessment for that, and after that you will receive the final offer letter. And clearly it is mentioned here, okay, in the previous mail mentioned here that pre-skilling training is very important for the onboarding. So you have to give your 100%, okay, for this pre-skilling training. Greetings from Wipro. Thank you for your interest in joining Wipro. We are preparing to launch the training session soon and we would like to confirm your interest to proceed with scheduling. सिंपल है, कोई भी आपको टेक्नोलॉजी दे दी जाएगी, उसके ऊपर आपको एक ट्रेनिंग करवाई जाएगी, एंड आफ्टर कंप्लीशन ऑफ ट्रेनिंग देयर इज अ असेसमेंट. यू हैव टू क्लियर द असेसमेंट इन ऑर्डर टू रिसीव द OL ऑफर लेटर, ओके, बिकॉज जनरली अभी आपको सिर्फ LOI आया है एंड द 6th प्रोसेस इज ऑफर लेटर एंड ऑन बोर्डिंग इज वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. To finalize our list of participants, we complete a brief confirmation survey by 28 April. This will help us to plan training with a confirmed group of candidates. We encourage you to review the pre-skilling guideline carefully to understand the expectation and requirement. Pre-skilling training will be scheduled in batches on the based of project demands. If you do not receive training invitation, you are requested to wait as you will be contacted when the next training sessions are scheduled. They clearly mention that all the process in the form of batches. Batches means different dates, okay, like different dates means कि पहले बैच 1 में किसी डेट्स पे आपको यहाँ पर प्रोसीड किया गया, फिर बैच 2, फिर बैच 3 ऐसे, ओके. सो लिंक टू द सर्वे, यू हैव टू फिल द फॉर्म एंड दिस इज प्री स्किलिंग गाइडलाइंस. Must read this. It is very very important. Fill this survey. Kindly respond to this survey by 28 April. Based on your response, you will receive further communication. Ensure you have to mention your resume number and superset ID. सबसे पहले प्री स्किलिंग सर्वे. आर यू इंटरेस्टेड इन विप्रो ऑफर? यस, ओके. Do you have access to high speed internet connection and laptop desktop to participate in the pre-skilling training as it is from your home? Are you available to attend a full day pre-skilling training? I hereby confirm my willingness to work at any posting location within India. Are you currently pursuing any post-graduation courses? Have you completed post-graduation courses? Are you full-time employed in any other organization? I have read and understood the onboarding communication sent by me. I agree to enroll the mandatory NGA pre-skilling training program. I understand that onboarding call will be only given to me if I successfully clear the pre-skilling training that is assigned to me, and this communication does not constitute an offer letter. प्री स्किलिंग ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट करेंगे तो ही आपको ऑफर लेटर के अपडेट आएंगे, ओके, एंड आफ्टर दैट यू हैव टू सबमिट द फॉर्म. दिस इज डिटेल्स रिलेटेड टू प्री स्किलिंग ट्रेनिंग. Complete that. I hope you like the video. If you have any kind of query, let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching the video.